What's up? Why are you looking at me like that?
Why are you looking at me like that?
Like what?
You're just standing there like this.
Yeah.
I know I look good, but I thought you weren't gay.
I'm not gay. Bakla maybe, not gay though.
Fucking Ken.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll go for a ride with you guys. Oh, sorry guys, I'm too hungover right now.
This is why I stopped making plans.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know, where do you want to go?
It doesn't matter to me. Today I actually rode down to St. Donatus.
Where's that?
You know where Kalmus's is? The bar that you, me, and Jessup went to that one time. It's in between Bellevue and Dubuque. That bar and gas station. I rode down there, and then I took a right when I passed the gas station, like the right immediately after the gas station, and that took me out to 61. And then I took 61 home. So there's a little circle that I did. I want to ride somewhere that's not too like congested, not too much traffic.
Back roads?
Yeah, back roads. Preferably something not too fast with speed limit either, like maybe 55, maybe like 35, doesn't matter. It's just not like 65 or...
We can hit the back road up by Eichmann. Like we go straight instead of turning left or right for Balltown. Then we were gonna go in circle. We're gonna end up at Balltown. We're gonna stop there.
Go. So, where Cheryl is? Oh, you're talking about US 52?
Yeah. We just keep.
Yeah, we just keep on following US 52. Yeah.
Yep, we're just gonna circle down back to Balltown, and we're gonna stop there for a bit.
Yeah.
Get some rest.
I'm down with that.
Yeah.
Buddy?
I killed Bambi on the way out here.
You did?
I fucking smoked a deer.
The fuck?
There's blood all over the bike.
It was a baby. Baby. He's got blood, he's got guts, he's got...
Is it bike damage? No.
Hit the front tire.
Oh, damn.
We're gonna...
God.
Up on Durango Road up there between Cheryl and Durango.
Yeah?
Not on that side.
Yeah, it's on this side, yeah. He hit right here, and that's
There's some back there, back to there.
Oh, man.
Right here.
There's some hair on the front tire and shit.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Or maybe your tires got split.
I had something.
You locked it up on him or something?
I locked it up for like a second. I hit him right here.
Yeah, there's still some hair on there right here.
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah, well, look right here, there's matter, like on the freaking peg
Oh
right there.
man.
And then blood down the exhaust.
Got that Guardian bell?
Yeah,
Who gave that to you?
girlfriend.
Oh.
I know. Guy I bought my bike from gave me a bell and it fell off.
Yeah.
Next thing you know, I got ran over, or someone ran me off the road into the ditch.
Oh no.
Broke my clavicle in 4 pieces.
Damn.
And it's broke again.
Yeah, you
right
broke
now.
it again.
I got to go back and have surgery on Thursday.
How'd you break it again?
Went back to work.
Oh.
Way too soon.
Work was too soon.
Yeah.
Just amount of repetition. How did it work? It just fucking must have hit the window just right. It just snapped.
I got a little bit of shit on my toe right now.
Damn.
Yeah. Some skin matter.
It's my buddy Chris. Remember when I did that one chip challenge or whatever? And I went on a motorcycle ride after? That's who I rode with. Yeah. Yeah. He ended up hitting a deer today. He hit like a little deer, like a little Bambi with his bike. He still has like deer hair on the front tire and he has blood on the side of the bike. It hit the right side. The bike's fine, but the deer is like dead. So yeah. This wind, dude. What? Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna take it slow if it's still this windy on the way back. John wants to keep on riding. I gotta go back to the house because I gotta work tonight, so I gotta get ready for that. I know it's kind of early to get ready for it because I don't work until like 3 hours and 30 minutes from now, but it's gonna be a long night because I haven't checked IDs in a while, so hopefully it's busy. The busier it gets, the better the tips are, and the more entertainment I have throughout the night. If it's slow, it's just really boring. So that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Thank you. Bye.